For over 50 years, you found Warren Secord Automotive on the west side of Kent. We're now Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros. I'm owner Bill Winans. I want to invite you to make us your auto shop. Our ASE certified technicians can help you with almost anything you might drive. We work on cars, trucks, SUVs. And if you're a business with a fleet of cars and trucks, talk to us about servicing your fleet.
What is a luxury car, and what makes them earn the distinction of being luxurious? Defining a luxury car was once an easy task when there were a select few luxury brands available, like Cadillac, Lincoln, Mercedes-Benz, or the uber-luxurious Bentley and Rolls-Royce. But over the past few decades, other car makers have brought new names to the luxury family, like Lexus, which is owned by Toyota, and Infiniti, which is owned by Nissan. There are a few characteristics that all true luxury cars share. They are made with high-quality parts, including expensive interior materials and sometimes a powerful V8 or V12 engine. The best luxury cars will pamper a driver and passengers with comfort, isolating them from road imperfections and noise. According to Kelley Blue Book, another item to note is the insurance. Luxury cars carry a higher insurance premium because the car can be more expensive to repair or replace after an accident or after it's stolen. Many luxury car manufacturers offer better and thorough service maintenance programs as part of your purchase. But for service and repairs that are not covered, costs can be considerably higher than for a standard vehicle. Luxury cars also offer more safety features than their lesser expensive counterparts. They have state-of-the-art technology. They tend to retain a higher resale value. And of course, and for some most importantly, there is nothing like the prestige of owning and driving a true luxury car.
Let this informative video be your invitation to come see us for all your auto repair and maintenance needs.